I wouldn't normally say this on most essays, but an AP timed writing, I do believe that length matters. And the reason why length matters is because usually longer essays, I would say 9 out of 10 times, when you get a long essay, it's long because it is packed with analysis. So it is not the length necessarily that helps you score, it's the amount of analysis, which then, of course, equals length, right? That helps you score. So, what do you do if you have a short paragraph and you just don't know where to go with it? Your paragraphs need to be robust. They need to be lengthy body paragraphs. I would say that they are not 5 to 7 sentence paragraphs. I'm not saying that you can't sprinkle some of those in, but I think that these need to be lengthy body paragraphs. And so, what you can do if you get stuck, I have 3 questions here that you could ask. You can look at the sentence that you just wrote when you weren't stuck, and you can ask yourself, what is the effect of this sentence? Why did I write this sentence? What is the effect of this sentence on the rest of the paragraph? What is the significance of this sentence? Why is the sentence so important? If you can answer that question, you'll add another sentence of analysis. Or, how does this sentence connect to the rhetorical situation? And if you can do that and spin off 2 or 3 more sentences, and then I think that your grade will go up. I mean, imagine you've got a paragraph that's 6 sentences long, and it's not, it's okay, it's not doing a whole lot, and you ask yourself just one of these 3 questions and you add 2 or 3 sentences, now you have a 9-sentence paragraph, and the 3 sentences that you ended with are all analytical, so your score is going to go up. Students always want to know how many paragraphs should they write. And I know that, it's comfortable to fall back on the number 5, right? Because we've been taught that for so long, to write an introduction and 3 body paragraphs and a conclusion. And of course you can do that. You can write a 5-paragraph essay and you can score a 6 on the AP English language exam. However, it's not necessary to write that many. You can write a 4-paragraph essay, and we will read examples of that the College Board has provided and score the highest score that you can get. I do caution against 3. The reason why I caution against 3 is because 2 of those would be the intro and the conclusion. So you would have 1 body paragraph. And I think when you only have 1 body paragraph in an essay, it becomes a dumping ground. It's a dumping ground for every thought that you have. And it allows you to be disorganized with your thinking. As soon as you have more than 1 paragraph, you have to decide which of your ideas go in 1 paragraph and which of your ideas go in the 2nd paragraph. And so there's a certain amount of organization that comes along with having at least 2 body paragraphs. I won't give you a number because, of course, you could also have 6 paragraphs or 7 paragraphs, however many you can crank out. So I won't give you a number, but I will say this. If you are committed to the 5-paragraph structure, and you write 3 shorter body paragraphs, let's say they're each 7 sentences long, you would have been better off writing 2 paragraphs that are 10 sentences long each. And again, it comes back to analysis. Almost always a short paragraph is short because it's lacking analysis. Think about it. The easiest things to do in an essay is to give your opinion and to provide textual evidence. By the time you've done those 2 things, you probably are at 4 or 5 sentences already, and therefore you never got to the hard part. The hard part is analysis. And how are you going to get college credit? Well, you're going to get college credit by doing the hard part, by analyzing the textual evidence, by connecting your opinion to the textual evidence, which would also be a form of analysis.